Number 1. 1996 Ford F250, price $6,880, presented in its original factory white finish with a clean gray-blue interior. With 197,000 miles on the odometer, this classic OBS Ford has been carefully driven and properly serviced throughout its life. It has had only 2 owners and has spent its entire life in California, resulting in a completely rust-free underbody and body panels, powered by a strong 7.5L V8 EFI engine paired with an automatic transmission featuring overdrive. This truck delivers smooth performance and reliable power. It comes equipped with manual locking hubs, a floor-shift transfer case, and dual fuel tanks with a convenient dash selector, ideal for both everyday use and off-road adventures. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, having recently undergone a full service and road test. Inside, the non-smoker cabin has been well cared for, reflecting its mature ownership history. It rides on BF Goodrich all-terrain T/A tires mounted on premium factory alloy wheels, giving it both capability and classic appeal. Number 2. 1987 GMC 1500, price $7,500, well-preserved classic pickup that captures the rugged charm of late 80s American trucks. Powered by a fuel-injected 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth performance and dependable power both on the road and around town. The truck runs and drives well, offering a solid and enjoyable driving experience for those who appreciate vintage utility vehicles. This GMC 1500 features a newer paint job that highlights its classic lines and timeless design. While not flawless, the finish gives the truck a clean, attractive look that complements its sturdy build and authentic character. Inside and out, it maintains the feel of a classic yet usable truck, ideal for cruising, light hauling, or weekend drives. Number 3. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900, well-maintained 4x4 pickup truck that has covered approximately 200,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, combining durability with everyday practicality. The truck sports a bold red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, giving it a classic yet rugged appearance. Under the hood, the engine runs strong with no ticks or knocks, while the transmission shifts smoothly and on time, ensuring a confident driving experience. The 4-wheel drive system operates exactly as it should, making this truck ideal for a variety of terrains and weather conditions. Its frame remains solid, and as shown in the photos, there's no rust underneath the fender flares, which is uncommon for a vehicle of this age. Aside from a minor dent on the driver's side fender, the overall condition is impressive. Number 4. 1999 Chevrolet 3500, price $3,995, dependable and powerful work truck that has covered 271,000 miles and continues to perform impressively. It's equipped with a 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing a strong and consistent driving experience. The truck features a gold exterior and a gray interior, giving it a timeless, rugged look suitable for both job sites and daily use. As a regular cab, long bed model, it offers plenty of utility and space for hauling tools, equipment, or trailers. The inclusion of a gooseneck ball makes it ideal for towing heavy loads, while the all-terrain tires ensure stability and grip on a variety of road and off-road conditions. It runs and drives great, showing the reliability that Chevrolet trucks are known for. Despite its mileage, this 3500 remains in remarkable shape. The body has very little rust, and the frame is solid and structurally sound, a clear sign that it has been well maintained over the years. Number 5. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500, showing 132,000 miles on the odometer. This Silverado is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a dependable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine, offering a smooth and responsive driving experience. Finished in a striking black exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck maintains its original factory appearance, giving it an authentic vintage charm. This Silverado remains 100% original aside from a tasteful upgrade to a modern Bluetooth stereo and an enhanced sound system, adding convenience and entertainment without compromising its classic appeal. Registered since 2009, it has been carefully maintained to ensure reliable performance. The engine runs perfectly, the transmission shifts seamlessly, and the clutch engages smoothly, reflecting the vehicle's solid mechanical condition. Number 6. 1978 Ford F150, price $4,500. It has 71,500 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive. The truck sports a rich brown exterior complemented by a matching brown interior, creating a timeless look that captures the rugged spirit of late 70s Ford trucks. Under the hood, it's powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 engine that has only 8,000 miles since being rebuilt, offering strong performance and plenty of power on the road. This model is a two-wheel drive version and comes with toolboxes in the bed, perfect for extra storage or anyone who appreciates a bit of utility alongside style. For its age, the truck remains fairly solid, a testament to how well it has been cared for over the years. It runs and drives great, showing that it's still very capable despite being nearly 5 decades old. Although the factory air conditioning is currently not working, the heater functions excellently, ensuring warmth and comfort during the colder months. Number 7. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,900. It comes with a 4/6 drop suspension, giving it a lowered, aggressive stance, and rides on Corvette C6 rims that enhance both performance and appearance. The truck also includes dual muffler tips, new taillights, and a red-painted bedliner that adds a bold touch to its overall design. Inside, the cabin has been fully refreshed. The doors, carpet, trims, and headliner have all been redone, giving it a clean, modern look. Comfort and convenience are improved with bucket seats, a 9-inch aftermarket wireless CarPlay radio, and new speakers for upgraded sound quality. Under the hood, it's powered by a 355.7L V8 engine equipped with headers and a new radiator, delivering reliable performance and strong power. While the truck is in good mechanical condition, it would benefit from a tune-up and fresh paint to bring it to its full potential. Number 8. 1984 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000. It runs on gasoline and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. This particular C10 is in excellent working condition, with no mechanical or functional issues reported. All features are fully operational, including the air conditioning system, which delivers both hot and cold air. The truck carries a clean blue Texas title and has low mileage, reflecting how well it's been preserved over the years. A standout feature of this vehicle is its brand new dealer-installed engine and transmission, ensuring powerful performance and long-term dependability. Number 9. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,200. This truck has 114,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and interior feature a tan color scheme, giving the truck a classic, uniform look. It runs and drives well, powered by a reliable 5.7L engine with 2 WD. Recent maintenance includes a new AC compressor with cold air, new alternator, new belt, fresh brakes, fresh oil change, new distributor, and a complete tune-up, ensuring solid overall performance. Additional equipment includes a trailer brake system, gooseneck ball, and trailer connection, making it a practical choice for hauling or towing needs. However, there are a few minor issues to address. The windshield is cracked, and the speedometer is currently not working. Number 10. 1979 Ford F100, price $4,500. It features an automatic transmission and a powerful 302 V8 gasoline engine, offering smooth acceleration and reliability on the road. The truck comes in a timeless beige exterior paired with a bold red interior, giving it a distinctive and nostalgic look. Equipped with a new steering box and a new brake booster, this long bed F100 handles confidently both in city traffic and on the freeway. The vehicle is in solid running condition and ready to be driven home immediately. With a clean title in hand, this well-maintained Ford truck stands out as a practical yet classic choice for anyone seeking a vintage workhorse or a stylish daily driver.